This is how the Ford project looked when we started. Our last two videos focused on the staircase makeover and making pretty impractical storage under the staircase. This video is the full project. I'm Anna. I'm also a bit under the weather, so sorry for the froggy voice. We teamed up the realtor Paul and the home stager Wendy to update this house and get it ready to be put up for sale. We wanted to create a cohesive, warm home that would appeal to a range of homeowners. The original homeowners already moved out and left all the design decisions up to us.
Things have changed a bit since I was last here, and that was only like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Ooh, there's no floor. The upper cabinets are gone. Oh my gosh, so much. But I'm here to start on the kitchen. Yeah, that kitchen.
I don't understand why these uppers are floating here on the wall alone. It feels awkward, especially over the door. My idea is to drop the tall uppers to the floor to create a little coffee bar area. I don't know how honey oak became the go-to kitchen color choice, but it's definitely not staying. Either is the fan light, the blinds, or the fridge. We found a replacement fridge on Marketplace, and I gave it the most epic clean. That video will be in the description if you want to see an epic cleaning transformation. I'll be painting the cabinets, so prep is key. I followed up the general cleaning with a deep decreasing clean, scuff sanding, and then priming with bin 1, 2, 3. The contractors removed the cabinets off the wall to work on the plumbing and electrical, which made refinishing easier for me. The doors would need several coats back and front, so to eliminate driving back and forth, the doors came home with me and I painted them in my basement. What a difference changing the color makes. The walls were painted alabaster and I used the color Chantilly lace on the cabinets. With the cabinets back on the wall, I can put painting on hold for a bit. Do you remember the original counter? We couldn't keep that, not with the fresh white cabinets. This is what I picked. Paul and I just realized that the lowers weren't installed yet. Oops. This is a stock Home Depot laminate counter and it's so nice. It's a creamy grayish with subtle white veining and it's very kind to the budget. A new subway tile backsplash was installed. The light creamy color brings warmth to the white cabinets. White grout, a new sink, new faucet, and new valance light finish this off. On to my coffee bar idea. Don't the cabinets look so much better as lowers? Such a simple change and it's way more practical. This adds counter space to the kitchen for small appliances, like the very necessary coffee maker. I don't like the idea of kitchens without cabinet hardware. That's a lot of touching all over the doors every time they're open and closed. I pick simple, matte black round knobs. Not only is hardware practical, it adds an additional element to your design. That's the kitchen reno. It wasn't a full kitchen replacement, but it wasn't just painting cabinets either. It's a bit more practical while looking fresher and more in line with the aesthetics of today. Stairs. We have a video that dives into the details of this stair makeover in the description. I really don't like this brown paint. The staircase isn't nice finished wood. It's a staircase that would have been covered in carpet. I call these construction stairs. The treads aren't actual staircase treads. It's 2x10 or 2x12 lumber. But I was sure I could make these look good. Sanded, primed, and painted in a nice brown called Urbane Bronze. Flooring that was used in the rest of the house was added to the riser because we're going for that cohesive look. And my favorite part, we added a runner down the middle using runners I picked up at Walmart. Bye-bye, ugly brown construction stairs. This is such an improvement. Oh yes, We added that railing too. Under stairs. There's a detailed video of this area under the stairs linked in the description as well. This space originally was an unfinished closet with a curtain as the door. My idea here was cubby and hook storage. The contractors gutted what was there and built out 2 areas of cubbies along the floor and the wall. It was covered in drywall, and I added some more Urbane Bronze. Add pot lights, some trim detail, and matte black hooks, and isn't this a cute cozy nook? Really sticking to that cohesive aesthetic idea, the cubby seat is the same counter as used in the kitchen. This was just a hallway before, and now it's the centerpiece of the house. During our design meeting, we agreed that the accent wall in the living room wasn't staying. It makes the room feel narrower. And we wanted to create a neutral palette that the new homeowners could personalize. Along with painting, the floors and doors were replaced. The doors were all different styles and heights, kinda odd. This meant that the trim was also replaced. That's a lot of painting, like a lot. Painting trim, painting walls, painting doors. So much painting in every single room. And it made all the difference. Renovating, remodeling, refreshing, whatever it's called, is a lot of work. Whether it's your own home, a house flip, or like this project, making a house show its best to potential buyers, all that effort makes a huge difference. We had a design plan and a goal of creating a warm, cohesive home. And I can confidently say we did it. This house is sold in less than a week being on the market. Thanks to Paul and Wendy for bringing us in on this project, and thank you for clicking on this video. If you like the transformation, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon with another project, and hopefully a less froggy voice. Bye!